up, K&R Squad? It's your boy, Batman Reafe,
and your girl Kristen. And today we have a little mukbang Q&A for you guys. Some questions that we've been meaning to answer. We're gonna do it today. And I'm a little bit sick, so don't be in the comments talking about why does she sound like that. I'm stuffed up, okay?
It's been a couple days, but we've been working on it. You know what I'm saying? Been giving her some soup, some medicine, all that good stuff.
And as the Jamaicans say, you gotta drink tea when you sick. Anyways, y'all, if you're excited for today, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to follow us everywhere. And let's get the show started.
Alright, so y'all, we got some bourbon, you know the vibes.
Hey!
Today is a nice little cheat day, so we got honey garlic chicken, Louisiana spicy chicken, rice, and noodles.
And I got Jimmy the Greek.
What I should be eating.
Right? It's definitely more healthy. So we think. We don't know.
You don't know, but you got rice.
Yep.
And
chicken breast.
Chicken breast with some salad.
And the salad is to die for, like the cheese and
I got you extra.
Here.
I got you cheese on the side, like
Thank
you normally
baby.
like.
Oh, that's so sweet.
You know the vibes.
All right, so let's dig in. Let's see what this tastes like.
The only reason why I got this y'all is because I've been fiending for Chinese food. I've been feeding for Chinese food. And it be slapping, I ain't gonna lie.
Want to try my chicken?
Put some bourbon sauce on it. I think I'm gonna take a piece, so I'm gonna take the whole bite. You wanna try mine?
Okay.
Which one? Honey garlic or the spicy one?
Honey garlic, please. Little piece. They're all big. See, I don't even do big chicken, guys.
Just a bite. Just take a bite.
Yeah.
It's just big.
That's good.
It's not bad, right?
All right. What is a fantasy of yours that you've never shared with me?
A fantasy that I've had of mine that I never shared with you.
Looks like you shared everything.
Yeah, like. I would really have to think again because I feel like I share everything.
Okay.
But you know, it would get real wild. Get real wild. But I do want to do some risky, like I want to do it somewhere risky, like where there's an opportunity, like to get caught.
That's like mine too.
Like type of like think about our wedding day or something, right? And it's like, yo.
Not the wedding day.
Let's just do it right now. People, there's a possibility we can get caught.
Of course.
You know what I'm saying? Something like crazy, something risky. I don't know.
Okay. I
feel like I share everything.
All right. What's your favorite memory of us together?
Okay. Favorite memory? Okay. I mean, I have so many. So many favorite memories with you, but maybe our first kiss.
Really?
Like, obviously, I love the memory of, like, when I proposed in that whole moment. But I feel like that first kiss was hitting.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
I think that's pretty dope. Like, our first kiss. Just.
Damn, you reminiscing about it too, right? I'm telling you, that first kiss was it. Like, that was like your first kiss is everything. It's like, is this gonna make or break it? You know what I'm saying? Some people, like, if they feel a spark or if they don't feel a spark.
Right.
And I feel like that whole day was just such a great day for me because it was like my dream is coming true.
You felt it in your bones.
Felt it in my bones everywhere.
Oh! All right. How or what kind of touch do you find the most arousing? What kind of touch?
When you touch me softly on my leg, on my thighs. You know the thighs.
Oh, I know the thighs.
The thighs be getting me up.
Yep. I think mine is the neck.
The neck?
Like when you just come in ever so gently.
And kiss it.
And like it's slow and nice. Oh! So beautiful.
Okay, babe, we're shooting. Relax.
Huh?
Relax. Relax.
Oh, my eyes watering because I'm sick?
No, you're out rubbing your neck.
Oh, because I
like
said
you're
the
in
neck.
the moment. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, just chill.
I'm chill, baby. What's the most sensitive part of your body?
You know that. You know what that is.
What?
Johnny.
That's true. What is mine? I think maybe my feet.
My feet are actually really sensitive as well.
Oh, yeah, I think it's my feet. What words or phrases turn you on the most?
Words or phrases? When you whisper in my ear and say, call me daddy. Well, when you whisper in my ear and call me like, yeah, you see that mean?
Oh!
No. Okay, can you chill?
Huh?
It's not the time for that right now.
We're just demonstrating.
Yeah, that'd be a killer for me. I ain't gonna lie.
What, I kind of demonstrate for you? Daddy.
No.
What?
No.
Why?
Not right now. We're in the middle of shooting.
Yeah, but you there's no way you feel aroused right now. We're like in the car.
God. I'm telling you, as a guy, that is dangerous. The moaning. What about you?
Is it really that dangerous? Huh?
Why are you talking like that?
Is it really that dangerous?
It is. Is this conversation getting you in the mood or something?
Why would you say that?
Because you keep doing that.
What?
That, your neck.
Daddy.
Why are you calling me daddy right now?
You said you liked it.
I know, but I'm talking about that was what I like when we're in the moment. You know what I'm saying? When we're doing the thing. Let me ask you. I'm gonna ask you something.
What do you want to ask me?
I'm gonna ask you a question.
Okay.
How do you feel about public display of affection? How do you really feel about it?
How do I feel about it?
Bro, wipe your lip. Are you okay? Does it food taste that good? We don't even have napkins.
It's so like wet.
Oh my god. It's slapping like that?
Yeah. You said public display of affection?
Yes. But you're freaking displaying affection to the food.
What?
You're showing bare affection to the food.
Is your food good?
Yeah, but it's, I mean, damn.
How do you show affection to food? You eat it.
What's in that?
You open your mouth and you eat it.
What is in that? That shit's hitting your spot. That shit is hitting your spot.
What is the question again?
How do you feel about... It's just lettuce.
What?
It's just lettuce.
I know.
So why are you freaking moaning?
Reafe, I'm sick. If I'm making noises, then that's probably because I'm sick.
Sick, you'd be stuffing up your nose or something. But you're just like, you're eating... Alright, let me see when you eat the chicken.
I mean, everyone gets sick
let me
differently.
see when you eat the chicken then. Alright.
Yeah.
What's something that I do that makes you feel desired?
When you feed me. Can you feed me?
When I feed you, you feel desired?
Oh.
What the... Babe, Bro, what is in this crack? Oh, let me chase this. Yo, there must be some crack in this.
I'm enjoying my food. It's not my fault you're not enjoying your food.
It's not even that good. You're more than enjoying it. It's moving you to the top. Oh!
What? You ever lay down and eat?
No, you might choke.
Okay. Is choking a bad thing?
You trying to choke? How would the bumble clot go on yourself? Are the food that make you wind up yourself, sir? Babe, you can't even sit
I'm just trying to find a comfortable spot.
Why are you laying down while eating?
Okay, what's the next question? Huh?
Are you good?
Yes, what's the next question?
Yo! Not even... What the hell?
I'm trying to get some of yours.
Mine don't be hitting like that. If yours is be making you move, like, mine don't be doing that. Yes.
I'm so hungry.
Are you in the mood?
What?
Are you in the mood?
Babe, what kind of stupid question is that? What's the next question? You're not even asking them. Where's my fork?
I was, but you got me distracted over here.
Wrong fork.
Do you have a favorite time of the day to be intimate?
Oh yes, right now.
That's what I'm getting from this.
Huh?
Right now. You trying to do? We can put the food away.
No, you need to feed me well.
Feed you while doing it?
Yeah.
Yo, that's fire. See, that's what I'm talking about. A new fucking... Yo, okay, what are we doing? What are you talking about? What do you want? Lo mang? You want... What do you want? Spicy chicken?
You're gonna come to the back?
Go, I'm there. The food?
No, bring the food!
You are my food.
So hard to get back here.
It's hard to get back. Hold up.
Okay.
So what are we doing? Wait, babe, we gotta cut off.
It's just a prank.
Cut the camera off, bro.
It's just a prank.
What? What? Stop, bro. Stop. No.
Yo, now my nose is stuffy.
No.
Because how are you falling for it?
Falling for what?
You low-key liked it. I was literally moaning while eating the whole time.
I loved it.
The whole time.
What you doing? I'm like, yo, what the hell?
I could tell. Like, you were really
What are we
into
doing?
it.
What are we doing?
And the questions just matched perfectly with what I was trying to do. You didn't notice when I was like, in the beginning?
No. I'm like, damn, your food is hitting different levels. The food is slopping right now.
Don't kill me right now.
But I was like, yo, hold up. You gotta cut the camera real quick. Get busy. I'll feed you while feeding you for real. I'm gonna feed you double.
We should go ahead and get married. I don't wanna put a rush on you. Hope I ain't putting too much on you. Way more than a crush on you. And you love it when I touch on you. You often wine, take time